No one likes to think about their own mortality, but with funeral costs escalating, we all have to start preparing for the inevitable. If we don't, our families and friends will have to deal with the burden that funeral and burial costs can place on their shoulders. There are numerous companies that offer plans and policies designed to cover your funeral expenses, including life insurance policies and prepaid funeral plans. Before you decide which one is right for you, you have to know the pros and cons of each. Planning for your funeral or cremation may not be the most exciting task, but it can bring immense peace of mind for both you and your family. A prepaid funeral plan gives you the ability to take control of your funeral arrangements, from burial or cremation to choosing the look and location you desire. By paying for these arrangements over time in manageable installments, you can make sure that your final wishes are carried out without burdening your family with the financial and logistical challenges that often accompany these difficult decisions. Choosing a prepaid funeral plan gives you the flexibility to personalize your funeral or memorial service. You can select the service, specify the location, choose the music, food, the hearse, the location, and more. This comprehensive approach ensures that your funeral reflects your unique life and personality, allowing your loved ones to celebrate your memory in a meaningful way. By relieving your family of the responsibility of planning and paying for your funeral, you provide them with a precious gift, space to grieve and remember without additional financial stress. One of the biggest advantages of prepaid funeral plans is that they relieve your family of the responsibility of making funeral arrangements and worrying about the associated costs. By planning and paying for your funeral in advance, you make sure that your loved ones can focus on grieving and healing rather than dealing with logistical and financial challenges. Prepaid funeral plans allow you to make choices about your final arrangements and see that your wishes are respected. You can select the type of service, choose a cemetery, decide between burial or cremation, and specify other details that reflect your personal preferences. This level of control brings peace of mind and eliminates uncertainty for both you and your family. By prepaying for your funeral, you can secure today's prices and protect yourself against inflating costs in the future. Funeral expenses have been increasing, and by paying in advance, you can potentially save money compared to paying for the same services at a later date. Many funeral homes also offer discounted packages for prepaid plans, making them a more affordable option. If you have a trusted funeral home that you prefer to work with, a prepaid funeral plan ensures your family uses that specific provider. By selecting a funeral home in advance, you can have peace of mind knowing that your family will receive services from a trusted source. This option is especially valuable if you have a long-standing relationship with a particular funeral home.